Ladies and gentlemen, I want to show you how to install the wall um, shelf for the for for television and you know sound system. So listen as we go, just pay attention. So first of all, we need to get the frame of this place. Now, this is the frame. That's the skeleton frame of the this the the shelf. So first of all, we'll tighten it to the wall. Here we go. So it will come this way. Push it to the wall. Mind you, I've already bored the hole and put a tag inside that will hold this screw. So as I'm pushing it now, going in gradually. I see. Then I'll get the second one. Do the same thing. Shut it and push it to the wall gradually. Gradually. You can see it has entered, you know. It has entered. So meanwhile, this speaker, I've already done this thing before now. You can see how I did it. I use first of all, I pour the hole and I put tag inside and I use screw to hold these two thing here that is sustaining the speaker before I can now mount it. You know, by the side on the bottom side is bottom side of the hole. So you can see, you know, so you can see that it enters firmly. You know, it's very firm. So it is. So it cannot easily fall away like that. So it has been locked. So we are done with this now. The next thing to do now is to tighten this place. Ordinarily, you can see I just try to put it. It's not strong, yes. So I've already bore hole inside and put tag. So you screw it inside now to be more strong. No. So you can see, well, the thing is not still strong as expected. Put that this. So put this. So it's not actually firm. Let's see how I can make it to be firm to the wall. So let's see how it can be firm to the wall. Because right now it's not actually firm and it can fall down. it is not firm like that because it's going to be carrying a heavy thing. So so we'll continue in the next video on how to install the skeleton of the um, television stand. So watch and keep on following and make sure you subscribe.